If the shape of the plot is rectangle or square or triangle or any other regular shape, by using respective formula we can determine area of that particular plot. But here I have one plot. In this plot all four sides are different. So in this case, how to calculate area? If you want to learn how to measure area of irregular plot, so if you want to learn, watch this video from starting to ending. So why late? Let's start. Welcome back to Center for Civil Engineers. In this video, I am going to explain how to determine area of irregular plot. Here in this figure, you can see the picture. This road side we have the dimension 56 feet 6 inches, and this side, right side 49 feet 6 inches, and back side 67 feet 0 inches. For simple calculation, I am going to divide this total area into two parts, that is figure 1 and figure 2. I am going to divide this area into two equal parts. The corners of all these, the corners of this plot is A, B and C and D. This is first figure. Formula, area A is equal to P into P minus A into P minus B into P minus C under root. This formula is called Heron's formula. Here P is equal to perimeter of triangle, perimeter, and A is equal to distance from A to B. This is A distance, 56 feet 6 inches, A distance. A is equal to distance of AB, distance of AB. Similarly, B is equal to distance of BC, and C is equal to distance of AC. Now we know this is A, this is B and this is C. Okay, using these three values you can calculate perimeter of this figure 1. P is equal to, I am calculating perimeter 1, P1 is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. This is equal to A nothing but 56 feet 6 inches plus 49 feet 6 inches plus 72 feet divided by 2. It will give you 88 feet 9 inches. This is P1. This is nothing but perimeter of first triangle. P1 is equal to 88 feet 9 inches. Now we can calculate area of first figure. A1 is equal to P into P minus A into P minus B into P minus C under root. Now substitute all these known values. This P value is 88 feet 9 inch into 88 feet 9 inch minus A. A value nothing but this 56 feet 6 inches, 56 feet 6 inches into 88 feet 9 inch minus of this 49 feet 6 inches under root. Another third term, 88 feet 9 inch minus 72 feet. This is the area of A1. This comes out to A1 is equal to 1380.46 SFT. Like this, we got area of 1. This is figure 1 area. Figure 1 area nothing but this is A, B, C. We got this area. Same way, next triangle 2 area we have to calculate. Before that, first we have to calculate perimeter 2. P2 is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Here A nothing but this is A and this is B and this is C. A nothing but 78 feet plus B nothing but 67 feet plus C nothing but 72 feet divided by 2. The total value is 108 feet 6 inches. This is nothing but perimeter 2 and the perimeter 2 value is this one, 108 feet 6 inches. Now we can calculate area of second diagram. A2 is equal to P into P minus A into P minus P into P minus C under root. Here also we know the P value and ABC values. P value nothing but 108 feet 6 inches into 108 feet 6 inches minus of A 78 feet. This is A and this is B and this is C. Bracket close into 108 feet 6 inches minus B value 67 feet into last term 108 feet 6 inch minus 70 feet. This comes out to 2238.903 SFT. Now we got a total area of figure 2A2. This is A2. Now the total area of first figure and second figure is equal to A is equal to A1 plus A2. The total area of A1 plus A2 is equal to 3619.37. 3619.37 SFT. Now we got total area in terms of SFT, but want to calculate area in terms of square yards. We can convert easily like this. 1 square yard is equal to 9 SFT. Then convert this area into square yards. Then this is equal to 3619.37 divided by 9 gives you 402 square yards. Like this you can calculate total area in terms of square yards. Suppose if the cost of 1 yard is 15,000 rupees. Suppose if the cost of plot is rupees 15,000 per yard. Simply 402 into 15,000 gives you total cost of plot. Like this we can calculate total area of irregular boundary. In this case I have two triangles only, irregular triangles. Suppose in a particular area you can have more than two triangles also. In such case we have to calculate figure 1, figure 2, figure 3. Then you can sum up all the three values. You will get total area in terms of square feet. Then you can convert into square yards, you can convert into square meters or acres, guntas, like that. Whatever you want to convert particular unit, you can convert and you can multiply with particular cost. Then you will get total area of that plot. So with this I have come to an end. I hope all of you learned how to calculate area of irregular boundary. If you have any doubts regarding these calculations, you can ask in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me in social media networks. And for more updates, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.